reached about 11 million tons in the last year, and it is projected that it will reach about 20 million tons by the year 2022. There is obviously a huge opportunity here in terms of technology, in terms of business, in terms of development, entrepreneurship, and of course the jobs for the people who will work in the industry. And we hope that the joint efforts of the government, the industry, and the associations will be able to propel this growth into a different trajectory. I also need to inform all of you that the Indian polymer industry is planning huge capacity additions. The amount of investments that are currently going on under implementation or under planning total about 1 lakh crores of rupees. I also have a list of the industries and units that are being set up in various parts of the country. The plastic industry will therefore have to play a leading role in converting these polymers into value-added products, in increasing exports, increasing employment, and increasing the trained manpower. The technology upgradation and innovation is the need of the hour. For the benefit of the small scale and medium sector, we have already taken up with the MSME ministry, the Ministry of Small, Medium and Micro Enterprises, the expansion of the credit-linked capital subsidy scheme. And we expect that with some modification of the parameters of the scheme, we would be able to benefit the industry in terms of technology particularly. A UNIDO scheme, as you know, has run for several years. About 100 industries were benefited. And we still don't know about the continuation of the scheme, but I know that several entrepreneurs present here would have benefited from the technology development. You have heard about the PCPR just now from my colleague, Mr. Pradeep Chandra. And I know all of you are waiting to hear the Honorable Minister, and I am the only one who stands between you and them. So I will once again congratulate the organizers and thank you very much for inviting us here.